Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet step by step. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. On the home screen, look for Solana in your token list. If you don't see it right away, simply use the search bar at the top and type Solana or just SOL to find it. Once you locate it, tap on it to open the details page. If you don't already have Solana in your wallet, you can buy it directly from Trust Wallet. Just tap on the Buy button, enter the amount in US dollars you want to spend, choose your payment method, and follow the instructions to complete your purchase through the provider's website. Once the Solana is added to your wallet, you're ready to proceed with the transfer. Next, tap on the Send button. Trust Wallet will now ask you for the recipient's address. To get this, open your Phantom Wallet app, tap on the Receive button, and copy the Solana address displayed at the top. Go back to Trust Wallet and paste the address you just copied. After that, enter the amount of Solana you want to send. There's also a memo field if you'd like to add a note, but this is usually optional. Once you've filled in the details, tap on Next. Review everything carefully on the confirmation screen, and if all looks good, confirm the transaction. After confirming, the transfer usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes to complete. You'll soon see your Solana appear in your Phantom Wallet. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.